Good day everyone mga kapongers, mga ka-alright. Today is the day 22 of our daily message. Before we begin, I would like to give a special shout out again to Neto Table Tennis Club located at Star Mall, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Under the leadership of Coach Presby. And also to our great photographer Linier David and family. I'm so happy to know that they are also planning to conduct their summer training at SM San Jose del Monte. This is a very good news to everyone. Ibig sabihin, buhay na buhay ang ating table tennis sa Bulacan. Nakakatuwa makitang isang lugar ay sabay-sabay gumagalaw, clubs, coaches, families, all working together. Kaya stay tuned kayo mga taga dyan, ha? Sali kayo and be active. And this is the exactly what we need right now, no, mga kapongers. More programs, more training, more community involvement, mga kapongers. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Because this is how we grow table tennis here in our country, Philippines. Now let me share today's message. Today, I want to talk about something very important. That is confidence in competition. You know, maraming mga players na magaling sa training, pero pagdating sa actual game, kinakabahan, nawawala yung laro, hindi mailabas ang tunay na galing. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Why? It is because confidence is not built overnight. It is built through preparation, through repetition, and through experience. Confidence comes from knowing I am ready. Hindi kailangan perfect. Kailangan lang handa ka, syempre. At naniniwala ka sa sarili mo. So to all our players out there, do not be afraid to compete. Join every tournament that you can see. Every match is an opportunity for you to grow. Win or lose, you gain experience, you gain strength, you gain confidence. And always remember, mga kapongers, the more you expose yourself to competition, the stronger you become mentally. To all clubs, coaches, and communities, I support everyone to keep organizing tournament, keep supporting, keep building, because together we grow as one. We grow as one as table tennis family. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, tulungan nyo akong i-share itong para mas marami tayong maabot ng mga kabataan, mga kapongers natin. Yan ang importante natin. Share natin yan. So this is Coach Ting again. And then this is the day 22 of our daily message. Okay, from the world of table tennis. Bye.